Welcome to the CryptoBillis unboxing series kung saan today we will unbox the Ledger Nano X Pastel Green colorway. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako mag-unbox. Tanggalin na natin ang top cover. Here's the main box and voila, makikita na natin agad ang unit. Ang ganda nitong Ledger Nano X Pastel Green. Let's see around, ayan. Pero mamaya na natin tignan ng mabuti. Ano ba ang box contents? Ang sasalubong sa atin is the insert. Nandito ang mga manual, seed phrase. Let's check that out later. Ito ang USB-A to USB-C charger and connector nitong ating hardware wallet. And kapag hilain natin itong tab na ito sa tuktok, makikita natin ang official Ledger keyring. So ayan guys, bibigyan tayo ng keyring. Pwede natin ikabit sa Ledger so we can hang it around. And so ano ba ang laman ng mga insert? Ito, unang-unang insert na makukuha natin is the startup guide. Ayan, punta lang sa ledger.com/start para masimulan ang setup. This is also a getting started guide. Ayan, para siyang manual that comes in different languages on how to operate your ledger. Ayan, and our next insert is the use and care statement. Mga recommendations lang to and tips on how to take care of your device and paano siya pahalagaan para tumagal. Let's move on to our recovery sheets. Ayan, meron tayong 3 copy nitong recovery sheet. Dito natin isusulat ang ating seed phrase, ang ating 1, 2, 3 to 24 word seed phrase. So, guys, again, napakahalaga nitong seed phrase. Bibigyan tayo ng 3 copy. You can produce more if you want, pero importante na hindi ito mawala. And next is the stickers ni Ledger. Meron tayong white sticker dyan sa taas kung nakikita nyo. And we have a black sticker ng bagong logo ng Ledger. So, yan, kabit natin sa laptop yan. So, here we go. Ito na ang ating hardware wallet. This is the pastel green colorway. I know, medyo blue siya, pero magandang colorway. Sturdy at matibay ang wallet. Dahil ito ay wireless at may Bluetooth, pindutin lang natin ito at magpa-power up na siya. Siyempre, kailangan naka-charge muna. But, we can also use these buttons sa gilid to toggle left, to toggle right. And press natin sila together to go to the control panel. And we can select here about the Bluetooth, the device features. We can power it on and off. And that is the quick unboxing, guys, ng Ledger Nano X Pastel Green colorway. Stay tuned for more unboxing videos.